Embootu z'owulira zaaniriza omukubiriza w'olukiiko lw'eggwanga olukulu Nnaalongo Anet Amongi awerekeddwako ab'ebitiibwa okuva mu Paalamenti nga mwe muli ne Oweekitiibwa okuva Emengo Mpuuga Nsamba. Bano bamuwerekeddeko okwolekera Bulange Emengo nga bagenze okusasulayo ku kasente okwetaba mu nteekateeka ez'okudduukirira omulanga gwa Ssaabasajja ogw'okulwanyisa ekirwadde kya Mukenenya. Tujjukira bulungi nti emisinde gya Kabaka Birthday Run gigenda kubeerawo ng'ennaku z'omwezi 7 omwezi guno gwennyini ogwokuna. Buli asasula akasente n'ogula obujoozi oba owagidde enteekateeka za Ssaabasajja Kabaka. Nnaalongo Anet Amongi awerekeddwako munna NUP Nsamba Mpuuga ne basisinkanamu Oweekitiibwa Katikkiro era bagenze okuva mu nteekateeka eno nga basasuddeyo obukadde 5 buyambeko mu nteekateeka zino. Buli muntu yeewuunyizza nti ate kaakati Oweekitiibwa Mpuuga Nsamba ab'e Nrm tebaamugule, tebaamutwale ne bamujingiza Nrm nga tabava ku lusegere. Ensonga zaabwe be bazimanyi ng'abantu. Kankulagenze ebibadde mu Bulange Emengo ng'abakulu basisinkanye Katikkiro Charles Peter Mayiga. Naye nga sinnakutwala eyo nkujjukiza Haji Ssettuba omusomi w'edduwa. Haji Ssettuba musajja asomedde abantu ab'enjawulo dduwa. Era buli gw'asomedde ku dduwa ze amutenda bakkiriza nti dduwa za Haji Ssettuba zikolera ddala. Kati gwe atanaba kumukubira ku ssimu munoonyeeko ku 0703 31 39 25. Haji Ssettuba omusomi w'edduwa. Katulabe ebiri mu Bulange.
You want to sit with her? Maybe the minister should sit with her. No, please. This side. This side. Yeah. Pictures. You can sit there. Okay, that's my brother coming. You know, this is my brother from Toronto. Yes. That's the speaker, no? You can sit there. Yeah. My daughter married. You were there at the wedding. Yes.
We gave you our son.
Yeah, okay. I think you are now okay. Can you give us some space? Are you okay now? You can now leave. This side is the both balance. Yeah, sure. I can be full. Tumute. Akusenda babadde wakali. Walala. Owange balabe baliya. Basenda bali mu bakasi. Naye abamu bali.
Kindly ask her to stay standing for the anthems.
Tuwezeshe kuishi kwa amani, tutimize na malengo yetu. Jumuiya yetu sote tulilinde, tuwajibike, tuimarike. Umoja wetu ni nguzo yetu, idumu jumuiya yetu.
Thank you for making us feel at home. Oweekitiibwa Charles Peter Maiga. You'll forgive me if I will not be able to mention the names very well. Honorable Ministers of Buganda Kingdom, the Honorable Members of the Lukiko, the Government Chief Whip, Honorable Bua Hamson, the Parliamentary Commission represented by Honorable Mpuuga, Honorable Mpuuga Matia, Honorable Members of Parliament of Uganda present here, the press, distinguished guests and gentlemen, I want to welcome all of you and thank you so much for coming with me. Honorable, I am sorry, my Deputy Speaker. My Deputy Speaker, sorry. Honorable members, the members here, the Katikiro, this is the Honorable, Right Honorable Deputy Speaker of Parliament of Uganda. And first of all, I want to thank you so much for coming with me. I just called him last night that we are going to Emengo. The good thing with my Deputy Speaker, he doesn't ask what are we going for. He just said, okay. Today is my first time to come to Emengo, and I'm told it is a culture that when you go to Emengo, you first buy a certificate. We first want to buy a certificate for entering the new land. And all my members of parliament there will all go with certificates. Oweekitiibwa, I want to thank you so much for being a good landlord. We are all your tenants here. And being your tenants, we'll always do what the landlord says. We are here to support the kingdom. And in supporting the kingdom, the theme of today is men are stars in the fight against HIV/AIDS and Save the Girl Child. And of course, it's the men also who start on these girl children. So I am happy that these men are the ones who are stars in fighting the HIV. We are also cognizant of the fact that HIV in our population has been too much, and the Buganda Kingdom has really done a lot of work. When we had a meeting, you told me 11 districts are almost coming to realize their dream. HIV AIDS is not is a thing. You can even have the AIDS, but you have the stigma. You don't want to speak about it. But now when the Katikiro comes out and says, let's fight against the AIDS, you'll find everybody will believe in it and will respect it. We want to thank you so much. We are also cognizant that the issue of fighting HIV AIDS and achieving our dream by 2030 is a role of government. And we want to thank you for complementing what government ought to do. We want to thank you too. The medical workers, the teachers, and whichever, we want to thank you for that compliment. But as we speak now, the medical workers are getting a little more, and we shall continue encouraging. And as members of parliament, as we go into the budgeting process, you've heard what the Katikiro said. We should be able to put a lot of money in medical health. People are dying of HIV/AIDS, leave alone in Buganda here. And it is also my request that as we do this in Buganda, next time you go and ask the Emor of Teso, the Chabasinga of Busoka, how best can we work together to support this country. It is a very good initiative from Buganda, and I want you to roll it over to the whole country so that the whole country appreciates what is happening. We will appreciate if you did that. I also want to wish to assure you, the Katikiro, that the people of Buganda, that is in the members of parliament of Buganda, who are in parliament of Uganda, are very supportive of the kingdom. And I want to tell you that Parliament of Uganda is a people-centered parliament. That's why you will find that we can be able to come over here and be with our people, associate with our people, and as you said on Sunday as we go for a run, I am going to be the first runner. We have members of parliament here who come from Buganda. And the chairperson of the Buganda caucus is Honorable Chivumbi. Honorable Chivumbi, can you just raise up with your members? With the members of come here so that people are able to see you. So that we see those ones who are not here. Yeah, to support the kingdom. I know you know all of them. You know all of them. I want to thank you so much for coming. Then other members of parliament, please join them so that the kingdom can be able to see you. As we said, we're a people-centered parliament. We're a people-centered parliament. We'll always be Katikiro, will always take all the good advices that we get from you. We are very good listeners. We'll take all the good advices, and we want to assure you that we will always support the team that you have in Buganda for us to promote the pro-people courses in health, education, poverty eradication, among others within the communities. I am also happy that you say you're going to write to us. Of recent, we've just supported the Rotary Cancer Institute in Zambia, and we gave 1,760,000,000 to that Rotary. Originally, they used to deduct money from members of parliament to support this kind of cause. But I want to assure you, we are not going to deduct your money. We shall contribute from the donation fund for this cause. And Katikiro will be waiting for your letter for you to be able to, for us to be able to support you as Parliament of Uganda. Who are your tenants? Who are your members of Parliament? Who are your members who listen? We listen to what you say, to the advice, the good advices that you give to us. We will always be there for our people of Uganda, our people of Buganda, because I know when we do this noble cause of running for HIV/AIDS, it will help everybody. It will help everybody in a way that a man from here will go and start engaging a girl child in a Bukele. So we will have saved numbers. And I've said it is always the men who start doing things. Thank you so much. Please have a seat. We really recognize your efforts in all these fights. And as I was telling you, when you had just become a Katikiro, I used to admire that young Katikiro, very active. And I said, when I grow up, I want to be like Katikiro. And I promise, when I grow up, I want to be like you. Very active, supportive, energetic, and always there for people. Thank you for being there for people. As Parliament of Uganda, we brought something small as a sign of solidarity. Because we want to build a relationship with the kingdom. We are not islands. We cannot live without you. Especially that we are tenants. We want to work together with the kingdom for the good of this country. We want to give a small contribution. I have a damage check here. Honorable Mpuuga, give it to the DS. DS and the Honorable Mpuuga.
Kindly ask the Katikiro Right Honorable Speaker and Deputy Right Honorable Deputy Speaker and the Katikiro and the Second Deputy Katikiro.
The Kabaka, being a champion of all this. Without him, maybe we wouldn't be here. We want to appreciate the Kabaka so much. And since we are having a birthday run, I remember when it was my birthday, Owechi Wakatikiro sent me a letter. He sent me a message, a letter with a message, with a gift for my birthday. In my language, we call it Amakula. Now, today, members of parliament have also brought Amakula for the Kabaka. And we request you to deliver it to the Kabaka. And being a Nalongo, Tenywa and Waiswa have also given me a Amakula to bring to the Kabaka. The Amakula they have brought from Waiswa and Tenywa is just right there in the car. the members of parliament will kindly deliver it. Honorable Mpuuga has it, will deliver it to you. As we conclude, OHG Bwa, it's not an easy thing to do what you're doing. If it was possible, we would also one day do the same thing. And I want to request my members of parliament that you also get a conviction that the kingdom has. You get a conviction for your constituencies. Because for Uganda may be bigger for you. Please get a conviction for your constituencies. Whatever little you can do for your people, let's do whatever we can do for humanity. Let's leave this world better than the way we got it. I want to thank all of you. Thank the members of parliament for coming. Thank the kingdom for receiving us in a very, very special way. And my brother Titi, Right Honorable Titi, you are such a special friend. And we'll be waiting for your letter. We'll support the kingdom. And for us, we are going to support unconditionally. Those who want to talk can go and talk. Those who want to audit whatever we give out, that is their business. We are going to support you unconditionally.